the cold season is almost upon us. As the leaves start to fall and the warm days start to get cooler, it is the time of year when the common cold and flu take center stage again. Even though the common cold and flu seem harmless, they can be pretty frustrating to deal with. Symptoms like cough, sore throat, and nasal congestion are very unpleasant, causing us to seek instant remedies. While some over-the-counter drugs ultimately help, did you know nature provides several cold and flu remedies? Natural spices are herbs and plant products like seeds, roots, and leaves, often containing essential phytochemicals that bind to specific receptors in your mouth to produce an intense nervous response. Most natural spices and herbs for cold and flu contain capsaicin, piperine, and several other phytochemicals responsible for their spiciness. Here are the top natural spices that remedy cold and flu symptoms. Rosemary. Rosemary is an ancient spice, especially in ancient Indian traditional medicine, for relieving cold and flu. It contains antiviral and antimicrobial properties to combat the primary causes of cold and flu. Also, it stimulates blood flow to the brain to relieve headaches from continuous sniffing and coughing. Steam inhalation of boiled rosemary stem relieves nasal congestion effortlessly. What's more, it adds flavor to your cooking. Thyme. Thyme is a regular spice used for seasoning meat and other animal proteins in most kitchens. It was used in ancient Greece as incense in Egypt for embalmment because of its preservative properties. However, thyme helps relieve cold and flu symptoms for medicinal purposes by clearing your airways, boosting your immune system, and fighting bacteria and fungi. Ginger. Ginger is very effective on the digestive tract and for activating the heat systems of the body because of its ability to raise basal metabolic rate and general body temperature. You can use crushed ginger to prepare ginger tea to induce sweating, especially when trying to break a fever. Garlic. Although you might be uncomfortable with the smell of garlic, it is a very potent herb and spice. It is highly medicinal, noted for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antiviral properties. The use of herbs and spices as natural remedies in addition to food flavoring is as old as human civilization. However, you should ensure that you use only organic and naturally grown spices as home remedies. Spice Station offers spices and herbs of the highest quality. If you're looking for natural spice remedies, Spice Station has everything you need. Visit our online store today